Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing how to change password on Discord on PC. Firstly, you need to open your preferred browser. Click on the search bar and search discord.com. You will get to enter on the official page of Discord. Tap on Open Discord. You will get to enter on your official page of your Discord account. At the bottom left corner, you will get to see user settings. Tap on it. Click on My Account. Then scroll down and tap on Change Password. You will ask to enter your current password. Now create our new password. Also, you need to confirm your new password. Once all are done, then click on Done. And this is how we change password on Discord on PC. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you never miss an upcoming videos. Thank you.